In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a trial balance in QuickBooks. Whether you're reconciling your accounts or just want to get a snapshot of your financial status, viewing a trial balance is an essential task, and today, you'll see just how quick and easy it can be with QuickBooks. To get started, you'll need to open QuickBooks and navigate through its user-friendly interface. Look towards the left panel of your dashboard, and you'll see an option that says Reports. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to a wealth of financial information and is crucial for your business reporting needs. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll find yourself presented with various options. What you want to do next is access the Standard Reports tab. This tab contains a variety of report types that QuickBooks has organized for efficient access. It's set up to help you find the report you need without having to sift through too much information. Now, direct your attention to the Search drop-down feature within the Standard Reports section. This is where the magic really happens. Type in Trial Balance into the search bar. This is an effective way to streamline your search, ensuring you get directly to the report you're interested in. Once you've typed in Trial Balance, it should pop up in the drop-down options. At this point, you'll want to select it. The selection process in QuickBooks is straightforward, so just a simple click will suffice. After you make your selection, QuickBooks will spring into action by running a report for the trial balance. Depending on your volume of financial data, this might take a few moments. Rest assured, QuickBooks is compiling all the necessary information to provide you with a concise and comprehensive view of your accounts. Once the report is fully loaded, you'll see the trial balance appear on your screen. Here, you're presented with all your debits and credits, neatly organized for your review. It's a powerful tool, giving you insight into your finances at a glance and helping you identify any discrepancies that might need attention. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully accessed a trial balance report within QuickBooks and have an essential financial document right at your fingertips. This process is designed to be intuitive and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most: understanding and managing your business's financial health. Once you get the hang of it, you'll find that QuickBooks makes financial reporting a seamless task. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you manage your finances better with QuickBooks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.